Did you know that an animal's yawn is based on the size of their brain? It turns out, the bigger the brain, the longer they will yawn. Let's take a look at some examples. For animals with smaller brains, like fish, their yawns are usually quick and to the point. Medium-sized brains, like those found in cats, result in slightly longer yawns. But when it comes to animals with large brains, such as chimpanzees, their yawns can go on for quite a while. So, the next time you see an animal yawning, remember, it might just be a reflection of the size of their brain.